Hey beauties, and welcome back to IAmBeautifulHustlerTV. We are back with a new collaboration, y'all, and today is from Luvmehair. Now they sent me over this 26-inch mixed blonde braided wig, y'all. The wig is so pretty and it's so tea, and it is a glueless unit, so it's already pre-cut, HD lace, everything you need, the bands, invisible scraps, everything you need to just really put this wig on and go. And it's up to you, honestly, y'all. It's a glueless wig. You could just use the scraps on the inside, or if you want to use lace tape, a little gel, a little holding spray, do you. But I'm going to show you guys how I install this wig and also show you a few styles that you can do with this wig as well. This wig is a full lace, so it's braided throughout the whole unit. There is no tracks in it, and y'all, it is so natural looking, so scalped out. Absolutely love it. They did an amazing job with the color and this construction of the unit. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into installing it. Like I mentioned, it does have the invisible scraps, and it also comes with a thick scrap that I will be placing inside of the wig to give me a nice, secure, and flat installation. Now I went ahead and, did my makeup. I didn't do a ball cap today because it's not really necessary. I'm just going to push the cap a little bit and then, just put the wig on. And I didn't start by adding any foundation to the lace as of yet. I'm just going to do that like kind of after I get everything laid down neatly. And I love the fact that this wig does have the scraps on the inside because you can actually kind of customize it to fit like your head shape. So like if you do have any ripples in the lace, all you have to do is use the thick strap in the inside to adjust the wig to lay down flatly and kind of just lay flat and neat on your head. So you will be seeing me doing that in this tutorial as well, so don't worry, the final look is going to be just a little warning. But to lay down my wig, I'm just going to use a little bit of holding spray. So I am going to start with the center first, spray it down, and then of course work my way on each side. And then once I have that sprayed down, I will tighten up the scraps, the invisible scraps as well as the thick scrap, to make sure that my wig is laying down super flat. Melt band, take it off, and show you guys some styles. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, if you need to purchase this unit, use the link in the description box down below. Okay, y'all, stay tuned. So as you can see, after spraying it down a little bit, the lace is a little bit rippled on, the left side of my head. But I'm going to show you guys how to straighten that out right now and make it super flat and neat. So first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and tighten those invisible scraps in the inside. And then now I'm going in with my foundation color and just applying it on the lace because I didn't apply none at the beginning of the video. And now what I'm going to do now is to fix the ripples in it. I'm going to go in and tighten the thick black, like the black band that's on the inside, the one that it came with. I placed it inside of my wig, and now you see as I'm tightening the thicker band, the lace is going to lay completely flat. So like I mentioned, the visible scraps plus the thick scrap is going to lay that lace right on down and make it super flat and fitted to the head. So we fixed that little ripple issue, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little more holding spray, foundation, tie down my lace, and yeah, now we have our good and seamless wig installed. So just adding a little more of that holding spray just to secure everything down one more time. I'm gonna blow dry that, tie that down, and of course remove it and show you guys a few styles that you can do with this braided unit. And after removing that melt band, just going back in with that darker foundation, and boom, you have a clean, flat, seamless box braid install. And I'm just going to let the ponytail down, and you guys can see the braids are so pretty. This, like I mentioned, this is a 26-inch. Like, it is so pretty. And now I'm just going to show you guys a few looks that you can do. Starting, well, wait, before I did that, I was like, you know what, I kind of felt like my contour on my forehead kind of went away. So I took my makeup brush and just added my contour back onto my face, because I know sometimes with the holding spray, you know, and removing the melt band, it can pull off the makeup. So I just went in with my contour and just touched it up. But back to the tutorial, my bad, y'all. So what I'm gonna do now is going to go ahead and show you guys a few styles that you can do. But as you can see, my wig is super flat, the parts are clean, all of that. And the first look that I'm going to show you guys is a half up, half down. So I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, pull some up in the front, leave some down, show you guys a half up, half down kind of look that you can do. Secure the ponytail. So if that's one way you want to wear the wig, you absolutely can. Yep, so for style number one, you could do half up, half down. Style number two, of course, is you just wearing it the regular way, which is, you know, just letting it fall down by the wayside. Okay, just regular, easy smuggler. And if you want a side part kind of look, you flip some over to the side, get you that little side part look. Now, I also decided to do another look that came to mind, which was like wearing it like with a bang with a half up, half down. So like I flip the braids over towards the side, and then I lift up some like in a ponytail to kind of give up like that half down, half up, half down look with a bang. So I was like, okay, that's cute. That's another way I could wear it, like half up in a ponytail, leave some down, flip it over to the side to give it that bang look. So that's another look that you can do as well. And of course, you could do a full ponytail. You could do a full ponytail with some bangs. You could do a high bun with some bangs. I'm going to show you all of those looks that you can do with this unit. So this wig is absolutely 100% versatile. And if you are a girly who want to secure down the back of your wig, you can as well, because it is laced back there, or you can use the straps to tighten it. Totally up to you, but this wig is a 10 out of 10.
Sunrise and those brown eyes, yes, you're the one that I desire. When we wake up,
And the ponytail is cute. Love the blonde. Oh, the ombre is so pretty. And then, of course, you know, you guys can do your high bun, of course. So, yes, I absolutely love the color construction. Everything about this unit was a plus. So, yes, absolutely love this wig. So, I am going to stand up and show you guys the length on me. Y'all know I'm short girly. I'm a short queen, only 5 feet tall. And this is a 26-inch. So, I'm going to kind of show you guys where it kind of sits on me. So, if you're anywhere in my not age, but if you're anywhere in my height range, you will be able to see what is given when you order this 26-inch. And this is what it looks like. This is where it sits, like right on the butt, okay? And as I mentioned, full lace, so you see the parts throughout the whole unit. Like I said, you can wear it however you want to wear it. I did a ponytail again to show you guys again. And I also did the bun as my final look. I know I love a cute little bun, but thank y'all for watching. Bye.